take it easy. No stress.
Yeah, easily, no problem. हाँ, सही है.
Doing it very carefully because important.
Yeah.
The A should be
In the right hand
Right
side
hand
and
side.
bar.
Yeah.
Okay.
you should be able to feel like you shouldn't know. Yeah, I think it is all secret. এটা সচিন তার মানে ওটা পাম্প করার জন্য আবার কোথাও চাপ দিতে হবে না অটো পাম্প করতে
No, no, no. Just এখানে follow.
Now we need to go to the file. Okay. File. Open experiment. Okay. Oh, we need to create a new experiment. Okay. So maybe we need to create a new plate.
We need to go at the open the experiment file located at C.
Okay. So that I'm saying we need to create a new plate, na?
File C.
Plates.
Plates.
Plates. Yes. Now you need to create a folder by the new.
Plate templates. Plate templates. Plates and then plate templates.
It is plate template. Okay. Click on the plate template.
Plate template.
Okay. Okay. Enter folder name here. Maybe.
Plate templates and then
Maybe you need to rename it to plate number. Plate 5291.
5
Okay.
5 to 9.
After sample, then
फिर ये यहाँ पे आ जाएगा.
data folder. Okay. Now,
folder.
now maybe you need to browse. No.
ना ब्राउज करेंगे पहले ये प्रोजेक्ट फोल्डर का नाम दे डाल.
No, sir, first main folder is now this is plate 529. You need to change it to 5291. Then in that you need to change the.
ओके. पहले टेम्प.
Now we need to go to journal.
नाउ वी नीड टू गो टू
Journal. Okay.
जनरल देन
Here maybe experiment maybe
Experiment.
12. Put
12.
today's date.
12 and then
But today's date.
description
PDMS modify maybe you can say.
PDMS
Modify.
modified
Okay.
modified.
And then we now
No after that we need to do.
then apply na.
No not apply. Apply will take up when
We need to do. Okay. Press now.
पैसा ठीक है ना.
Yeah.
पर सर ये 10 to the power minus 7 से कम होना चाहिए प्रेशर.
Okay. It is less. It is less. Okay. You can just. Okay. Perfect. Now this is gone inside. Okay. So now this is going for the analysis. Okay. Now these are active. So what we need to do now?
We need to go here.
Which step?
Here.
Maybe in the sample window? Experiment. Okay, but it is already there. So we need to delete these because these are from the previous experiment.
Yeah. We need to change this one.
Sample. Okay. Okay. Maybe we need to apply now. Lalit?
No, apply
To add our sample new element, go to the go to the point multi-point, yes, and drag it above the AG post text. So now we need to add one more element.
More element.
So go
Point.
to the and multi-point.
Multi-point.
So it is here.
Yeah,
We need to
multiple.
shift it
Shift it
above the
above.
AG post
Yeah,
experiment.
yeah.
It is now shifted.
Yeah.
Now we need to change its
Change
name.
the name.
Name to
Name to
HC.
HC.
Okay. HC. Now
Now
apply.
Apply.
Once it is applied, then we need to go to the multispectrum and choose the element.
Element.
And
Carbon,
element carbon, nitrogen,
nitrogen,
oxygen,
Potassium
potassium,
and calcium.
calcium. Now
Yeah.
it's okay.
Okay.
Now this is done. Similarly, for again, if we want to add one more element, then
Yeah.
again we need to go to the
Point.
point multi-point, and this is here we need to shift it before AG,
Yeah.
and here we need to change it to our sample name.
That PDM is modified. Yeah.
Now we need to give the position. To give the position, we need to come to
camera.
there.
Camera. Not to go to
To
the
the-
optical view.
Yes, optical view. So I am clicking here optical view. So yes. So for this we need to now where is the A?
A is this one. This one is A.
This one.
No, this one is A. This
So
one is A.
I need to click here.
Yeah.
Huh?
This one. Yeah.
So
Have you clicked?
yeah, I think I click.
Okay, click. Then you move to the design location up and down. No, you need to go down. Down. अच्छे से कर दो चाहिए इसको तो हाँ. You need to go down. Down.
Oh, this is B. So
Then
we
you
need to go. Sir, so we need to reach to our desired location. Okay. So what is? I don't think we are at B, Lalit sir. We are at B.
अच्छा बी पे क्लिक कर रखा है ना तो बी पे जाएगा.
Okay. May move to A.
पास आप कर लो पहले इसको.
Yes, it is shifting to A. Just wait. So similarly, we need to give the yeah. This is it. So check here. After selecting this, our sample, we need to go to this and click on the add.
Click to add.
Add?
Yes. Add.
And then
after click add.
No.
You can rename it.
Ding, we need to change the name to our sample name, and after that we have to click the read.
Then
Okay.
Apply.
Now apply.
Apply. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Then it should
Now
show.
this is showing. It is green, means this will analyze our sample, and we have given the location.
Go to the sample number second.
Now we need to go to the sample number second. So we need to click on the second sample and move it like previously. To give the location to the fourth one, TWAS. So click on TWAS, and here on this right here
We will write that.
TWAS.
That's low TWAS.
Yes, and then we need to go here.
Read.
The sample is placed at E, so we need to double click, so it will move there to E, and we can see this in the microscope, and we need to adjust, see our sample where it is, and then we need to locate its position so that the
This
XPS
is an
E just, and then click on the read, and then apply. Okay, perfect. Now then go to the next sample, that is HC. So here we will rename it HC,
HC.
HC,
After HC.
and we need to
Go to location.
and click here F, and it will adjust itself first.
After location.
It is going to the location, and then we have to look where is our sample, and we need to give the location. Yeah.
This is our sample.
This is our sample. Now please read it. Yeah, this is the sample. Go to the read and apply.
Apply.
And
No.
this is now low. Now our 5 sample is low. Now we have 2 sample which are yes HMM modify. So here we will
HMM.
A modified,
Capsule HMMA.
modified, modified. Okay. No, not read. Click. This sample is here. Click on this sample. Yes. So it will adjust itself there. And similarly, we need to look at our sample. Select the analysis area. Let it come. Yeah, this is the sample. So I think this is
fine.
already perfectly aligned. So you need to just go read and apply.
Read and then apply.
Apply. Now location is locked and it will analyze. Similarly, we can do for all. As you can see, all our material is located and well defined. So now we need to only go for the analysis. For analysis,
We need to go to
experiment, and then it is there. I think this here.
one.
Anything else we need to do?
No, no.
Okay.
Everything is fine.
Everything fine. At the end,
Just
just
check whether everything.
to run it, please run, and we can see the change here. So here it will give us the data. Maybe after the analysis we can get some spectra here, and then we need to analyze them. So the spectra start coming. This is spectra for our first material, that is NdFeB magnet. So this will run for some time and we will get all our data. So let's close the video here, because we have to wait for 3 hours almost for our 8 samples to analyze, and then we will collect some data.